Hey guys, and WTF! Samsung Galaxy Note 9 official trailer has been accidentally posted by Samsung New Zealand on YouTube, and it's titled Sam0053YT1. Clearly, it's a video file that is meant to be saved in some secret folder, but whoopsie doopsie, someone is about to get fired again because this happened with the Galaxy S9 as well. Like, what is happening with Samsung? I mean, for the second time in a row, the trailer got leaked days ahead of the official announcement, and now I'm starting to think that this is some kind of marketing trick. Anyways, let's do the trailer breakdown. First up, we have this blue super powerful Galaxy Note 9 going flashy and it's looking pretty sexy, of course, design wise and everything. It all follows the leaks and rumors. I mean, we knew about this like 4 months ago. Nothing is different. It's similar to the Note 8, retaining the same design with the headphone jack and a better fingerprint scanner position below the camera sensor. And we also have those horizontal wearable aperture dual camera setup similar to the Galaxy S9 Plus, but you can expect some software tricks to be implemented with the Galaxy Note 9 exclusively. We'll see about that. Here comes the new Bluetooth S Pen with the yellow color and the blue tip, looking really dope. It's said to be the all new powerful S Pen. Then the next scene shows us this big button, which is again a Bluetooth powered button, so it's going to give you control functions. You can use it to take photos, remotely lock or unlock your phone, etc. Then comes the best thing about the Note 9, which is its battery. Samsung claims it's going to have an all-day full day battery life, meaning the Note 9 will finally going to be the flagship that's going to give you a solid 1 day of a battery life. Honestly, none of the flagships right now can do the solid 1 day battery life thing, including the S9 Plus. So that's going to be pretty awesome. 4000 mAh battery will going to be inside the Note 9, which is pretty big, biggest they have ever put. And then of course we have the maximum storage on any phone out there. It's a 1 terabyte of storage if you buy the 512 gigabyte model of the Galaxy Note 9. Apparently it's going to be coming into a lot of markets, so it's not going to be China exclusive. And if you put the 500 gigs of SD card inside, then it's going to become total of 1 terabyte of storage for your Galaxy Note 9. To be honest, it's best to go for the base model, since the base model will going to rock a 128 gigabyte of storage, which is a lot more compared to the 64 gigabyte base storage that we used to get. Now there you have it. The official Galaxy Note 9 trailer look is here, and it's everything you need to know. I mean, I'll probably start doing some comparison videos at this point. I mean, this thing is out, and like, I just feel bad for the people who go to the event and it's not gonna be that exciting. But yeah, I mean, again, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Note 9 official trailer. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.